Hi, my name's Rachel, one of the founders of Open Voice Lab. So we support public sector and voluntary sector organisations with all things engagement, and our niche is in digital engagement because we think a lot of organisations haven't quite realised the opportunities of digital at scale. So between myself and Alexia, we've got over 35 years in the NHS and public sector doing this kind of work, and I think we have a rare combination of both being communications and marketing and community engagement specialists. So we've built what we believe is a really fantastic and comprehensive training offer for engagement professionals. So we know that engagement professionals are absolutely fantastic at the human stuff, but sometimes they may have got a little bit behind in terms of the understanding of what digital can and can't do to support their practice. Because we believe digital engagement is so much more than just posting a survey link on the social media channels. And most training out there that we've seen is very communication specific, but we think engagement professionals need something slightly different that really helps them realise the benefits of continuous listening, building trust and having two-way conversations online. And we also wanted to build training courses that truly speak the language of community engagement and consultation. The golden thread running through all of our training is accessibility and inclusion. We know that that is incredibly important for any engagement professionals to be able to do well. So there are 4 core areas to our training offer. The first one is giving engagement professionals the communication skills that they need. Because whilst engagement is definitely a different discipline to communications, there are definitely overlapping skills. You need to be able to write well, you need to be able to understand your audience and what that means for how you communicate with them. There's something about being able to do some basic design to make things appealing and being able to identify the correct format and channel for the thing that you are working on. The second strand to our training programme is really getting into the detail of how digital can support really great engagement work. Now, we're not saying that digital should ever replace face-to-face engagement, but what it should do is enable you to realise some benefits that makes your face-to-face engagement work much easier to do. So digital engagement is all about using a wide array of channels, tactics and materials to reach people and have conversations online. You can also use digital to gather insights and listen to communities about what they're saying, and that might be in places that you've not thought about yet. So the third strand is around accessible and inclusive practice. So we have a course around inclusive engagement practice, which covers online and face-to-face, and then we can teach you how to build accessible Word documents, accessible PDFs and accessible forms to help you meet your legal duties with regards to accessibility. And then our fourth strand is around the use of AI to support engagement work. And this is a really exciting one that we know a lot of engagement professionals are feeling a little bit nervous about. But I think for us, we want to help people have the understanding of the opportunities and the risks and how to manage those risks. So if you do choose to use AI to support your engagement work, then you are well aware of how to manage that safely, deliver it safely, and more importantly, to bring your communities along with you. So our training is really designed for any public sector, voluntary sector, engagement professionals or teams who are looking for some support in terms of the communication skills, the digital skills, the accessibility skills, and are feeling like they might want to embrace AI. We do offer discounts for voluntary sector and health watch organisations, and we have some courses that you can book onto, but they are all very flexible and we can really work with teams to build something very bespoke for you and what you need in your organisation. And all the courses are delivered by myself and Alexia, and as I said, we've got lots of years of experience in the public sector and have done community engagement for years, so we really understand what it means to deliver the work too. Yeah, so if you are interested in exploring our training, please check out our website. We will be doing more videos about individual training courses, and we would love to speak to you about what you feel you and your teams need to help you be better engagement practitioners. Yeah, so come and find us at openvoicelab.co.uk and reach out if you've got any questions.